What up? Y'all see where we at, man? Let me show you where we at, man. Yeah, that's where we at. So we got a call to turn the truck in today. So I didn't even get to finish my miles, but I'm gonna get back with y'all in the second video. I'm just let you know what's going on. They told us to they sent the message on the quad car to turn the truck in today, but we should have known because they was rerouting us in places like Kansas and stuff. So we should have known something was going on. We'll find out what's going on here. I'm gonna hit y'all up with another video later. As soon as I find out what's going on.